and I'm a quench ahodo na esisi. In fact, ebi no mo hono a drivers ni bi ho no so a omo negligence enso ka ho. Ba ahwe ne kese mu a na che say akwan na kese na enye ye no na e ma sa accident ni nyina esi. The last time, I think last 2 weeks, accident ba ko esi wo actually what they call asankare. Information on my who says abas na e ko ball potu ai wo ho no mo a che say aye adididi ya ma sisi no aye kese. Nti na ye omo eko visit eko tourist ni
yeah all construct
yes any bi na eko ekobo mu a nipa 12 ewu ya na che say ahoho okra nso ewu mu a na ye so bad and sad. Nti ni nyina no ejina anamon wa asesa manyofo yetu go ye kasa sesi e timamu ni bi eni won mo wo ho akwanya se ekwai na ye wo problem no ono na ese ohwe ni oye ni ye e yaban and ye besra aban yesre no me de eba sa na ma se ya na me pese me de be ya amonyo because eye de ya ekwai no fa so bi me nso me fa so bi ebetimi aye wo ebetimi aye obi eni won mo odwen da se ye de helicopter ebe kowiem ama Ghana mpanimfo eti se ya hwere wo mo enti enye wadwen se ekwa ne nya wo de obetimi afa play eye den ya one day wo wa amfa so a wabutunya ni bi ebe fa so ti ye besre aban eye ade bi a esese otwa nani hwe ho yie because express road a ye ma ne nye mo trouble e ma timamufo no enya access to it a ombetimi akọ omo dada akwantu mu aba na wo de wani nso akọ express road na wo ye no ye nka access express road na enye ba ye ntimi ntra ho se ye twa ya express road no awie ansana ya ka se Kumase Accra road no eso aye boko dabi because omo am ya tia say express road no ye betimi ya use be say 4-5 years
I was 3 years
yes na Ghana de ye ka say 3 years e 6 and ye ka say 3 years nso a betimi de akọ 5 mi hu kwa bie ni wono mo a ya ma timeline wo ho a Ghana yetimi a stick to timeline no ni yetimi awie kwa no da ebi ni wo ni ye beka bia ya nka say oh sikasem ama omurezi certificate ni yentimi ntu omo kan ti atwe contract no ko nanimu a na tell say yentimi nya exact time and data yakase ye be wi adwuma no ne awie da nti no say ye betena honom na say even though 3 years na say ye wo ho dada no yentimi anya hu bibi ama koni abadie ankoso ye wo Kumase Accra road a ye be wi express road no na Ghana fo ahwere wo mo nkwa no ya na doso na sometimes ni hu no kura ne say on hwere ne nkwa no wadi dem and then madam for baako Winneba road yi one ne maame ode ne ba eko hospital ono no ode ne ba eko hospital no oba kwa akunya accident wo Winneba junction
ene ya
ne ba enra esinra
okay
ode ne ba no eko hospital one ne ba na eko enra na nwumre no ono ne ba na kwa akunya accident ama sisi baby amaami no momu da no e serious so ne ba na ode na eko hospital and so sad yeah
but you know our drivers are becoming so careless these days on the roads
it's in America say percentage wise we betimi aka say drivers ni bi nso ho no mo negligent so e ka ho bi na ma accident esisi but the larger picture no I say ya ba no enye because it's ultimate na a whole main road major road na aflade na be 2 days ka bi entime nkoba anu no ntime blemu drivers leadership aban na wote so no ene wo mo a highway for no ade ba ko prof ya pa no highway for na ye tua wo mo ka say omo manage kwa no na omo nya maintenance wo kwa no
but they'll tell you that scam
so it boils down to government
sure
that is a leadership na ye kan wan sem no say you provide the resources no mo omo a ade adwuma ya se omo so omo nye no omo be ye ye besre ba bi aduro no the way ni pe wu no uti ya na 21 enkwala ni enu wanyini wo mukura no na ye 18 years so o mo ko nsiamu e ma sankofu ni nyina hwe o mo nkwa efie ba ko mu o ye 5 su said that enipa 5 no e den na ka o mo ba be ya mabusuya no o mo hwe o mo nkwa enye fault of theirs o e ye because of bad road ama o mo hwe o mo nkwa ye be sra ban ye sra na o ntwe nani enhwe na enye Kumase kwa nkwa enye Kumase kwa tema mutu we kwa ya ye hwe last Thursday
actually
tese Nti yentimi nya kwa ya na do ana. Me kai anyone we President Kofo started ya you at time as beto aso. E kwa me ya ni nyina anadwo. Anadwo obeduru hono be say 10 anadwo no. Na bo say contractors ni guso ya adwuma. Nti say wo fa hono mo awie a ade abete na wo be kono na hono na sesa because on be ye e kwa na anadwo. Omo nim say road no e ye busy road. Nti ye besere aban. Say ye kan den ya. Resource no one dey provide. Aban. E aban. Nti won twa na ni hwe kwa no. Wo de won timi nye your friend say untime mfa bitumi nguso untime nya na asphaltica wo de ye kwan ni ye makwan nye mo trouble keke enu bi ka ho nti ne de drip machines no e baaye the essence ne say ye nya sika ye de be ya kwan no ye mfa sa machines no entwitwa kwan no so na ye mfa ariabo no ani so adehunu wote ha evidently no utimi say ye say drip machines ne bi no mo ho be de ye galamse pato wate. Say NDC from
I've heard those allegations.
Yes. Say drip machines na say omo di twitwa kwa no so no. Omo de ye galam say. Ye besere o mampani. Ba bi adro no. Sometimes e bi ba bi anya politics o. Me ni ya holality o. Ye wie na se ye tu ye ka akwa do me kwabrenya kwa no so.
Akwa kotena baby.
Ya akwa kotena baby. Na ya pe mutu obi adi ana fufu obi adi.
Hey, na ba ko de wan fan.
Ye kwa.
Ya ba ko de wan fan kan.
Ya ye fa so so. Say wo ni.
Dem no man say na mo yidi.
Oh, Debbie. Holali the also presby ba papa.
But what
is a presby ni?
I do what is a presby for you now and
oh, and you are winning about me never holali there. Sadly, ye didi a yem factory in Kawa. And no, it's me ye didi. It's my didi. It's your best.
Mary, well, let me take a lesson to you. Because MB before I said demonstration be Lumi. Remember Ben at Kasafa one sana with me Ajayemu. But Walali, on this accident issue. What should be the way forward? Bus stops with the government.
I would demand my now me chowing with you in area, your production team and my brothers. Congratulations to Munia, but it was Michiano. ABOTCHIE. Finding now what was said, Yashi and Yashi. So you see drivers driving recklessly on bad roads. Me do have in Tiasi. ABOTCHIE na eji tumu say kwan do na anya den enye abanya yanka obeye
Olali we dey ma
no problem
but mo amoda so frɛ no I am not taking the calls right now. What I'm expecting you to do is say ukra WhatsApp phone for voice note na bra na fa 0249 777779 ye bebo voice note ni nyina area ma Olali but obetumi ato
so we are aware. Sometimes also every potholes now or the boom say pine, then they lose control and all those kind of things. Now I'm saying so I think there's a research. Baby dynamic kinds are way. There's a lot of abuse of substance among most of our Shenka for no.
Abuse of substance.
Yes.
I know as you're saying.
Say yen sana or no bro unnecessarily and that's a tramo nyama we a beef be pa.
Any energy drink
commercial drivers.
Who say energy drinks be I take quick chrome.
Almost had in yama one.
Almost somebody near my system.
Yes. So all those things have also heightened as a cost stroke a cracker. It's the driver now or taste the energy no. Now you know we need the house out. So when you came from of course also be enough family. We driving you do huni. It's not a bus stop and a station. Young tones out.
But in this country you call bus stations and just an answer cause second go so new plan station or then
you see it comes back to compliance and enforcement.
Yeah.
Yashemra and say you ton sound by bus station. So why are they doing it? And if they are doing it, what does the law say? Man is saying you're modern. Nipa ton sound in nipa kwakonom na. We are driver. You must be focused.
But you don't think government should crack the whip on Google stations, maybe on buttons and close you.
Most of these things are bylaws. Yes, what are assemblies doing? The PI may be something who say most of the offices don't call mostly empty. And now 5 days by 12 near to Yakui. Ghana high and fair, you must see also. If you say okay, Opako, some parts of circle said they're okay. You see that drinking spots are not supposed to be operation or being operational at bus stops or terminals. But how they do drivers here can't say or monsoon or cocoa. One common no energy drink, no the Yama womb. and no yeah on the side of drivers. He said yakwan so nye ebe anything. Highways for omo di ehwam kakra. Minim some budget in some na nyu. Say nyen so what steps are they taking? Because look, on my way enti menka say as a Messi health. COVID see and what happened in Ghana. All attention went to go and deal with what? Health.
Sure.
And accidents since January. Why are we not focusing on accidents also? And the number of people who are dying? Yeah, up to now, because it's becoming rampant. Week when who bear 5 already
accidents.
Yes, and it's no longer funny. Ben can Obin in the back, Airco Hospital. Now, Maminu Mo is fighting for her life. What sort of thing is this? So discipline on the side of drivers. Akwan also nya highways for mo nyiri omo ho. Ya nyiri ye ho as Ghana. Anaju e na okano. John Mahama 2016. All the asphalt overlays na ye ho no. All over the place no. E ya anaju me hu bi. Me fi kromo ba. Ade na de sambe pa. Bedu fie be 1. Addiction so I was saying Mr. Krom bi. By 4 I was on my way again. Me kono. Me junction no so na I couldn't even recognize the junction. Not me now saying I said tally. Me here na asphalt over there. Queries Halval, that construction a Brazilian, they were on site. Why you want to query or moko? Yeah, for crime so it's possible to do some of the. It's possible. Say, but Nintem, not Nipan kwa Ghana hanu.
But now the focus is on Accra Kumasi Road. It's become a death trap. Then I was about here when we are on that stretch of road.
Maybe it's Minister for Roads.
Yeah, I was saying.
Or can I say that side has not been abandoned for the express?
We've all heard it, but nothing has been done on
it. They are in lots, my boy. And yet, contractor back on a fin crying. I call a Kumasi. They are in lots. We hear a dear boy here, Pokwase, Elko, your friend is saying, in some you can see, market improvement on that road. Nti ye hekwan so almost some ye the aka we nim honom so they na mo ye ade mobilizing well. Are there difficulties? Because you who say kwan bi wo honom so you are trying to get people out of the way and fa e bia na say a people's kwans we you say one of the spots we do honom na e busum bi e ho na ewo. Nti ye say ye ma kwan me ye den ye nwiri ngu.
Expressway no.
Me express na make I'm just giving an example. E bi wa ha. Nti e bia sa old Accra Kumasi kwan no. They have some of those issues there. Trying to move people because still I will have problems. There are issues no be an if it is litigation, Minister say that road is still under construction. Contractors almost man. It be an terminal because I've known this road since when? Actually,
that road was constructed since 1932. Accra Kumasi Road.
I can say dualize and also actually I can even remember to
2006.
Yes, to for check the yes Rose Minister if you can do something about it. Of course, express road no here. The expressway. Indeed, it is going to be the panacea to some of the issues we are getting on this side.
Sure.
Because the whole year you say to avoid those head-on collisions here you are getting all the point. It's an issue. Can't be resolved in one day too.
Sure.
It's in pie and second is a driver for me ye kakra. To the buzu uti omochina so mo ye na so kan. No mo nbufu. Because nyane nia one of the test here nechi. E bi nso timi adwuma na no mo abre.
Fatigue.
Wabro, but still they will insist on going. We have to check all these things. For me, I think it's law enforcement and then compliance.
All right.
And run over. Yeah, obi enim rano so.
Mame nase. Now I'm so shortly. We say we the middle one up him so I be break.
Kwara said the abeja for okay, we am okay the same thing. To say them start here in America. So so dey kase na da ban so. So the aban be hwe say kwan no e betimi ayeye. Na afre so me kan entity for asem.
Yeah.
Sika no mjeja driver for no mo check o mo normal ties ni ade. Obetimi atrak am.
Na one who say MTD ni bi jiskada.
Amafro car ma obi the lances 20 Ghana say that time no 20 Ghana say condition no man check we ɛno anso wɔkɔ ne nyinaa saa nɔɔma wɔ nyinaa aka ho yɛbɛsra aban no ɛne MTTV fo ɛna DVLA ɛkɔ mfa so mo ɔmo lances no so ɔmo hwɛ ne yie sɛ bɛka kyerɛ sɛ first wobɛhu obi a ɔka articulator no aka kɛseɛ na kyerɛ sɛ adwene wɔ ne tirim ɛna wobɛhu ayi saa kaa seɛ firi bɔki na ɛbɛyi obi sim asa anoma bi na sim akora ketekete bi na akukuru kaa ɔyɛ ama nyansa bia ne ne tirim nti yɛbɛsrɛ paa sɛ saa no ɔma nyina wo sɛ yɛkyɛke na ɛno na ɛde accident mi de ba ɛna passengers a ɔmo control drivers me pentem driver kan ho wo delay ɛno so another factor ɛna de ne yɛka sɛ sia sɛ stations ɔm tonton nsa apɛtɛsen ba nom ne ade wobɛdu station bi kyerɛ sɛ driver bi kɔtwa bi ɔsɛ no ɔtumi speed nti ɔkɔnom nsa no ano ɔbɛtena siala no mu de aka hwɛ a wɔntie ɛno so nyinaa ka ho na ɛde wei ba nti yɛbɛsrɛ sɛ saa nɔma nyinaa yɛbɛbɛ sɛ yɛbɛsi kwae ama bibia atɔ dwojo
Benjamin Asare ma me bi sɛ wo na sɛ no mo say demonstration NPP 7th of August a demonstration man democracy and attack way
Prof
yes but talk to microphone we say we know there's a defect I think it will all right
Prof
yes
in fact nyame ya adoma sɛ ne yɛ ka no Thursday ye demonstration kɛseɛ wɔ mamu ha no
MPP
yes atentesu kɔkɔ akyerɛ Yura John Dramani Mahama ɛne na mamuo say indeed democracy is under attack ɛwɔ kurom ha abra obedi ɔmampani demonstration ɛyɛ fundamental human rights so obia wɔ ho kwai sɛ bibi ɛkyerɛ n'adwen na so wɔnte ase a ɔtetesu kɔkɔ ɛde kyerɛ aban a wobɛfa ɛkwan pa so na wayɛ no me no ka sɛ yɛne a police for atenase ama nhyehyɛ bi ɛsɛ sɛ yɛyɛ bia no yɛayɛ ama yɛagye atomu sɛ nyame yɛ adoma Thursday yɛbɛhyia ɛwɔ starting point no ɛyɛ Supreme Court animo hɔ no ɛhɔ na nsɛmɔne dodoɔ na ɛkɔ so this time Supreme Court hɔ no ɛhɔ na nsɛmɔne dodoɔ na Supreme Court High Court ɔn sɛ ufiri High Court ba o cross o kwai na ba wani mu anu aba be do Supreme Court nti nsɛmɔne na ankoso wɔ Supreme Court ana akoso wɔ High Court saa nneɛma no ne yɛpɛ sisi anoko
ɛna ɛwɔ mu adwen
ɛno na ɛkɔso
nti examples
yes ɛno na ɛkɔso obɛhwɛ a yɛsɛ ɔmamu ha no obiara hyɛ mmara ase obiara ni hɔ no ma ɔso sene mmara na yɛhu sɛ Yewura Mahama ɔyɛ selective justice ɛnya de a ɔka bibia bom ayɛ ne baako ama Ghana ni bia no ɛho atɔ no abra Yewura John Dramani Mahama ebebedi akonwa no Prof obɛka ya na cases bi wɔ hɔ no a then former president anasa amamu atwamu no Yewura Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ene na ban ya no mo pursue sa cases no obeka ya before September 2024 sa mpanimfo ya na Kwamna Adofo Mr. Opuni eka ho no omo file application of no case at the High Court to say asem na yedi ne be 6 to 7 years no omo susu say sebe nyansa bi enim nti court mo sa asem no entungu pacho court na so no unanimously no omo ye 5 court ka say ye ntime mo asem no ngu because omo case to answer omo questions to answer eno echi na Yewura John Dramani Mahama bae no Yewura ayini a oye attorney general o say NDC for enum ensia yedi wo mo asem no sa case na wo mu di no ono onye interested nti wa file nori prosecutor say sa case ni nyina wa discontinue case no ama sa ankrofo ni nyina mfo mo hunkodi abra the same court na ka say wo case to answer wo questions to answer as to wo mind sika akodi wo enti wo nkoso ne empesi case no Yewura Mahama bae no na true na attorney general o se sa case ni nyina no onye interested in yen cancel sa case ni nyina ama me no ka say prof like joke enya dia sa cases na ye opuni case ya discontinue Kwamna Adofo ya discontinue Collins Deuda $200 million $200 United million yes sa sika na afana se no court to say Yewura attorney general say onye interested nti Yewura Collins Deuda onfa no hunkonkodi ama saa cases ni nyina ya discontinue ene finance minister ya why no ho tiska so a was won release emfama other ministries no mo
mo say finance minister why there
what tiska so a why na adwen say on spend because of opese inflation ejina yie manu ntino ono ni sika na ehye ne pa oni japa a na sese wo mo atua sika na dem wo ma na say ye hwehwa asem no mo feko ememmra na wo mu di no ye wura attorney general ba sa case no so wato agu
na se sa case no ekopie mu appeal court ama appeal court no eja o mo ana meboa
eno na se eno wo file no won say ye di na asem ni wie ye no
ambulance case no
ye di wie ye no girlfriend odam ye sa file appeal a na case no e wo so a ye di nti ye clear wo mu wie ye no wo sa file appeal no na attorney general we buy no wa be clear sa cases ni nyina na ne ya a etwa Ghana fo nsunu mu a NDC fo nyina raho NDC fo a me no mo corset su nyina raho say ade a yewura attorney general ani yewura Mahama ade aye said nam tamakuru no sa case na yade emu onrem omodwen ho omonte ase
what kind judgment no
the judgment there
said nam tamakuru
makai ni nyina sitire first one and the second one in Amakai. 78 counts.
From the prosecution.
No, my issue is that you say Nipana commit a crime. Baku 78. Ye mama sewa this judge, renowned judge. I will be any no send you see an eduma or high court. Edi ni pronouncement about the judgment about say you would have said the name Tamakru 78 counts ni nyina would differ into one court for 10 years because we bought mine ka tune of 90 million Ghana cedis where we are mine no and your man 10 years a man for ka say ade na sa time na your man 10 years no your man and the lawyers one man file appeal so when him say still our case ya ya the judgment aba uti abrochire no o lawyers betimi afale appeal ama what the bank sa court ni pronouncement na odi aba no betimi di bank na wa face no appeal court
na unim date na of file appeal for that particular case.
I don't know it
was
I'm being honest. I don't know
2024
near yenim
it was in May 2024 I think so. 9th May 2024.
So all this one na appeal court case in Ekoso.
I said there were appeal court.
It's in Ekoso na. From 2024 no. I just want to find out to say na case no na appeal na Ekoso.
It wasn't heard then.
So it means say there was no case. Because all file appeal ya mandate ya bedi case na meboa.
So time on na mo amamu.
No, ye court wasem na nya mamu mu asem. Court judiciary you know enya ba partisan. Near wo attorney general no we the #1 legal advisor to the nation and the president. Any case bi a obeba betu bia no esa wo to aso. Eye Ghana asem enya individual matter. Nti wo ba ye na wo ba betu case no. Necessary wo to aso. Oba betu aso no and wo so onye interested. Adentia
nyabotre
abra untumi asem bae untumi case edi ni say 7 months meboa ene yetimi ama untumi akọ afiase 20 years 20 good years
na say what can be this here say court nsem enye amanyosem
ena ye hu ni say ye wura president ye na amanyosem or yes selective justice ade a persecution na ekoso because the DNDC need dia ono no dia no ho so e DNPP need dia or case and issue to answer the last one me no tia say see untumi oni national organizer of NDC and the second vice chairman ye galamsey issue no omu nyina no ye start untumi dia 3 months and omu mienu dia so start ye aban na de krata ba abonten say ye wura yami ene abanga omu ye illegal mining me no ka say prof wo dey me believe too much what the case be afasa asem no abra ye wura
yoko so omu hwehwem
yes adentina ekọ NDC dia de echesa. All right. Now MPP there and hwehwemu no e contentem am yetimi de pronouncement. Enunti na Ghana for dodo na edi ya say kwaya ye wura president fa so e di judiciary na ye adwuma na nya de e boa ye. Enti yesere no oba pepepe ye enya adwuma say akwasi koye bibi na senya emla ni say kwamna so koye bibi na senya emla ni so man e be ya e be boa ma o man ne chechire.
Mama akosisi aba mamintie na abunsu on this. Na abunsu mamintie on this.
Also last time by me the can say corruption asitron a burden power mem say betu ase unim de June 4th uprising by
there be catch me
kasashele proya na de by e ma me to na me kare say kuma champon no makufu tu kanom ne ade a na sa de eno ma ekoso sa be na me raho President Kufuor so zero tolerance of corruption so na say o de by
me kai
na President Kufuor na mean say President Lawrence apenso no na Kufuor bokro no because na mean say President Lawrence ni pa bia na nye kasashele ene proya because President Kufuor by no or the nipa be kwafiase no mo president former doanya na baby call na mamum obi to say Ibrahim Adams Kwame Pepra Victor Salome Dan Abodape sankofo nyina president Kufuor twen mo ase de mo call afiase because we say mo fa kwan bi so bo man form ana edimrem eno achi no president Mose by etwem ono so kekai ba on de no se asumdwe hani ade enti menya sure se obi akwa afiase President Mahama Sabayo ono so ntimi amfo obi ankotum na na Akufo Addo bayo ono oba no kan bibi fa wayomi ho so what say de yanwum krato wayomi ganganto wayomi tinana na do kwa ba na me say wayomi do on the first person e be kwa fiase o de opuni ko gina court sa amfie be nwotwe no nipa bebre but ade na me bo na do so bo kakra bi ne say ade nti na sa ankofo ko gina court criminal cases no shouldn't be delayed for 8 good years Omu gina court silent ni anyo mo hwe eti ade ame na e ham ne se saban aba no obeja wo ma so bo me de bebre bebo MPP aban se wodi nipa ko gina court mfie nwotwe wontimi amfra anko afia so wontimi anka bibia nkyere no na se aban ba no obeja ne de a minim de ntiem wo se eja no so obi wo bibi kanka 8 years no se ka do mo ko afia se aban foforo aba President Mahama e baaye no wo hu se MPP aban ne twam no nipa bebre bo man ne kro no yo ko afre wo mo or prosecute womo or yana from the so be but ono na bam sesi anso me hu say parliament e kan sem bi fa 350,000 Ghana cedis bi a sem kofo nsu afa womo no ne ade no se ska ne mfa hwe womo no omo ka se ska no che no kra enko yi ho mete ho asem na mete gold board nsensem bi eska bi a afa womo ase ho Bank of Ghana issues eti dia me catch your prof ne say
yeah
say o man we be here this abai no di identity prosecute nkofo a omudi boni wo na sa corruption ase to bedin sa ba bia te so na ne nkofo ntime mo chem so a obi wo kra wa aban na akọ touchness we the president aniwa yan kana sem sa no ma na ekoso o mam no ntime into corruption ase this aban na nka so otime nkofo no o so timi prosecute o and sa na corruption ase to no ebetimi aya adwuma because me wu say president Kufuor eyebi alaji isa unu say no president Kufuor nipa otime de ne call afiase Abuga Pele so me hu say former Mahama first administration Abuga Pele President Mahama so time de ne call afiase it is sa no man ketime ye ne sa so be even want to me issue sa tam na senka wo ho a nanado me hu say want to me case ne de court to da abawe ba no be fa want to me asem no ba o de ne court to akojele no enti ya me so de na mate no me President Mahama e de na si form na nkotimi de yami so fa sa kwan so odifo a onso de tum tse wuntumi de pepepepepe na emma ne ye adwuma na fa obi a ye bibia no so enka sa me ye maba no so ntentime nya me hwe sa no ma na ekoso o maba no so maba no so no na ma corruption ne ketase prole no agi hini o mawe si antu sa no ma na se a prof e bedin de ye bia ye no kwa especially fa galamse kura ma ye ken galamse nsensem nyina no obi aba wo so tisi kwa ye bia mu no e no ope because I'm on a champ so or this kind of Koboa party or this kind of Koboa party I'm here the campaign my party na power it's been a party not me can asem would you go down obeja house aba for ba no obeja ansem you interested
vamos mama rase Benjamin Asari pese oko and you know na ka pese otie holali answer wa obetie no but into bad ba me say oko ide wechigu
neighbors be come neighbors be come o ma olali mane se me sa ma mechigu enti we dey mesere mo pa mo
Sanchez ye be dance right by until but before that you know I hear the minority caucus in Ghana's parliament at the statement about out 4th August 2026 also statement by minority caucus on the fatal accident on the Accra Kumasi highway at Abrimsu River. The Minority Caucus of Parliament has received with profound sorrow the news of tragic road accident that occurred yesterday at Brimso Bridge on the Accra-Kumasi Highway. At least 15 people are feared dead following a devastating multi-vehicle collision on the Accra-Kumasi Highway. On behalf of the Minority Caucus, we extend our deepest condolences to the bereaved families. We also sympathize with those who sustain injuries and wish them a speedy recovery and full recovery. We share in the grief of the affected families and stand in solidarity with all those who have been impacted by this heartbreaking tragedy. This unfortunate incident is yet another painful reminder of the urgent need to address the long-standing safety challenges on the Accra-Kumasi Highway. For far too many lives have been lost on this highway, and the nation cannot continue to accept these recurring tragedies inevitably. The Minority Caucus therefore makes a strong national appeal to the government to urgently prioritize the completion of all ongoing sections of the Accra-Kumasi Highway, including existing bypasses and other outstanding works. We know that government has committed $1.7 billion for the proposed Accra-Kumasi Express project. With these funds set aside in an escrow account at the Bank of Ghana, however, approximately $300 million would be significant to complete the existing bypasses and ongoing works on the existing Kumasi-Accra Highway. While the long-term vision of constructing an expressway is commendable, the Minority Caucus believe that the immediate priority should be to complete the existing highway that can save lives now. As fatal crashes continue to occur on this critical corridor, expediting these outstanding works should be treated as a matter of national agency while preparations for the expressway continue. Signed, Honorable Kennedy Nyakwose, ranking member, Route and Transport Committee. Until the year, Donkuma Womo Ghana,
ABOTCHIE say the panel. This is what the opposition should be doing. It's a good call. Already, the minister has stated that yes, I can't dear. And Abaya is doing exactly that. We might want to do some rethinking or readjustments. So yeah, say nkaya na ko and I do fakese na ko express, but yemfe bin ko hands when say we can touch some other places, especially the hot spots na nyama waiters, you know. Let's just say the
sure.
So they would have to tackle it immediately.
Okay, so I think now the NPP is saying that democracy under attack. Do you think, sir, Ghana, we can ever win the fight against corruption?
They say at the end, say captions in Abeyo Mode. Which democracy is under which attack? Democracy be. Omo continue to mumpum. Omo continue to mumpum.
NPP for
omo continue to mumpum. When Kusiaga, we ain't kofa him. Having said that, of course, but yes, they have the right to. Having said that, you see, they feel that certain cases in court, which is not going their way, and but what are those cases? Yeniaba said in a Tamaklu. I buy Nessie and I go for Damini Tiaeboa, one of Musie. So I could debony, and our bonny trim pot, so person your mind way bonny, or your main seeker. Or divert your main sicker, and all those kind of things. Until actually the uncle could court. Court on so dear, you fire and sapine anything, and then court. Uko drew wa. Una CS and Nipania then or for. Yan fast artisan court. In fact, court on share artisan and van one thing, and yan is our court. Una CS waku readia, and I'm a bonny trim pot, so I saw ball my abro, or divert your main sicker, the alcohol be before. One find one call, no evidence, nothing. Koya case no poto, and you were trying to shift the burden of proof onto said dynamo. And about you see, let's say this. One of them said he never had her day in court. She never entered the box. In December, I can find who you know, and who you be in feeling what direct and your ding. Amma. And no two coins or one man tema. You know, the assembly tiana. A man 10 years in prison. Until say waba. And in the Ubisa a Ben Jiminka. Because Godfrey Damini a worker. So no, the notice of appeal now you file in May 2024 no. But the court records are there, very clear. Stamped in the actual date no was so. Inti go for damini try where you be pan on be ma oman. Oba oman ya bro. One stress on you medwuma yi. Odi obi akogina court. It is not enough to say say nipa we or a kronfo na we wie sika. Okwa, obo so odi dance ye kro. I betre in criminal matter no, it is proving your case beyond every reasonable doubt. When timfa dance here uncle. And I about case ni na no say they call appeal. Appeal 3 judges neti. Call to her. Share docket ni mu na, and let's also put this on record. Appeals call to her, no witnesses go there. And your records of the high court no, and they kwa court room that they have examined and see said there be. We can say sika we or ye ni say now ka koto basis we yet on 1 million or no koto 1.5. Then they do one dance here. Now but is it even fair? I read some of the judgments. No, let's require. Certain never paid 1 CD for those buses. I'm not a me here for HR, commercial law 1 and 2. And the mission say fraud vitiates all. Fraud vitiates all. When I must CSS, I'm not bus or auto buses, procurement in 1 year employer and so source me boy. And I must say Okoto buses, or she was trying to procure those buses more than the market figures of the bus. Meboa. Good. You came to renegotiate. But at the end that fraud also no, you renegotiate. What do? You cancel it. But sticker can buy renegotiated and pay the money. If a crime hasn't been committed, why did you send the woman to court to be committed on that crime? That you have come to negotiate and made payments on behalf. So I say, what did you do about there? Don't 1 city. Oh my, no see the mayor. So instead of cancelling it, what about a renegotiation with Cheska? Uwe ya odi makujina court say yenchimintu. Asem we can never. Say na go for damini twa yebua ekodi asem no court. Appeals court, 3 judges at the bench. No so say there be. Yeah, criminal trial say. All your charges are defective. And the man in the war, we camera, can't politics and our emotions. Camera. If the charges are defective, what does the law say? You discharge and acquit. It's as simple as that. Interappeal court judges, they did a very simple job based on the law. When you're emotional, may I am there, say Attorney General. And Attorney General has a very beautiful relationship with Sedina. They are very good friends. He said it himself. Only the Attorney General. He has given a notice of appeal, and he's going to file an appeal. I believe Sedi should have been acquitted. Or maybe she should have been, discharged, but not acquitted. She wasn't heard in the first trial. Yes. In Tinkame, if I was on, the bench on the appeals court, may I say, okay, the prosecution failed to prove its case beyond reasonable doubt. But I am calling for a retrial. So that said, you will be given the opportunity to go and defend herself. ABOTCHIE said, "The dimbi to suza we kronfo a dimboni pa." She has to go to court, present her case to court to clear herself. You are touching na ye. Atufos mu na Ben say I don't know. I say you better try cases no only prosecute. It was because the cases had no merit. So they had to discontinue to defend herself properly in court, so that her acquittal and discharge will be on merit, properly on law. Because it looks like the appeal saying it was based on technical grounds that the prosecution did a poor job. The charge was defective and all that. One question more PPBA go for damage in Suban or ya cry the cocoso judgment debt by okay Ghana power. So okay. Ni Suban on said anya court. So let's give him Mami and the opportunity in open court to defend herself. Na some country baby was saying no when your case be akwa ko ye hu demonstration
utie Benjamin Asare nsem bia wo keka se MPP ni dia court ni yedwuma tentem partially but NDC ni dia entisa ebi okra omugina mrana no na abunso akase a chere dodo wodemfunso no be ma aban etwemu ko ni the judiciary omu handle that cases And of course, yes, mentioning that buying because omo no prosecute those cases. You feel that Abaya also see protected their own, citing Yamin and the Abanga issues here.
About you, they are dancing in the court. We are camera. We are not talking emotions. Before you take somebody to court, you must ready to have the evidence to prove your case against the person to be prosecuted. Into Yamin Abanga Mudian, yenya the evidence that will pin them down. Or the court be jano. Court no be jano. We to media no adanse no wo ho. Indeed, we had Nipona on any year at the no. So Galamsey or whatever it was, no, had given himself up to testify on behalf of the prosecution. Into the contempt. But Abangani say Yamin di open any china obi masisi say or evidence na it say no mo yeden or mo ye Galamsey. That matter will be taken to court immediately because there's evidence number. Into case no so be den. Have a contempt. Memiti has it here. I can't tell if Yoko has gotten evidence and they are sitting on it. Meaning, preference to say, "Oh man, now Moka say Yamin Abanga Eye Galamsey." If they indeed had the evidence, they would have submitted it by now. And if Yoko is sitting on it, they would have come out to say, "We have given this evidence to Yoko, but Omoteso regarding Yamin and Abanga." So, Memiti here, you can't convince me that there is evidence and it's being buried or somebody is sitting on it. When to me, the evidence was available. So within 7 months, the assembly year, he's in some obi bia ne hu sem wo ho a wo hu dance no fapra. Dr. Eni dey ono twen. That's why he's getting most of his cases going through. But one secure conviction, and all those kind of things because he prepares before he goes to court. It's how there is something about law and prosecution. What the corner de bia you are losing sana you become discouraged. Confidence cry to me then. So you must have a watertight case before you go to court. Me masem can simple.
All right.
What evidence bia so bia ye boni. Say NDCU, MPP, Fabra. Bring it. All the court nas yet now so you have the media. Openly come and say it that you have presented this hardcore evidence for prosecution of certain people. Any international.
Marina say Walali. And I'll say, Ricardo, Namuzi, what's your video, Holali? What would you say?
The person who's our PROF is here, Mamma, or he says, oh, fear no prison.
Oh, that's all one family for stay of execution. I should think so, or prison.
Or no prison. Now, there
I'm not too sure, but
okay. The person Busa says here and say, I bind the chair, no pension. Then the scene choir went to me and Bahama and appeal.
Setting up Pelapro.
Yeah.
Or appeal on the 24th.
24th.
Yeah, or appeal on the 9th May 2024.
Yes, but on one person is one to me.
Went to me,
and then they told me, you didn't see a Kufu a bank, I said, or went to me, Uncle Farmer, and a bear jerry no armor.
Almost started process by intervention.
It take long. Prof, as one I make us see and say, when you say, but me, Abbas is your big eye unto me.
Oh, yeah, sure. Now say
court to cry now. Me na make was influence. I can't do. So I say, said the normal sequence. Mami say President Mahama buy, and at it is or buy so. Or ya appear and take it time be near see a giant. But they met bo Attorney General Basu say Juma no ye. Say appeal on Tiasia Papa into also him. On the Mebona Basu. The Bia de Mecan Saba or Tesu Nipa Bibia, Biden or Becon, Prof. Some of my say, about near dear and so much on your ban and your brace or coherent to me, or more demonstration near the Yachu Bia says here, party for the Quack demonstration. A Bia swat the Nipania, and yet emphata. Men support to say, ye boo Bia tenchia and ye Juma. But the amateurs as any pandemonium, only demonstration, no mamma in Juma. To be honest, say anyasa no man so ya chime party ni say papa say yan bonu ni akosor ni edede ni emfa hwe mo emwo man no so to corruption say
so o hwe Dennis Miracle Aboagye issue here abia court order Yoko ama omode omunsa to no bank account 5 so for landed properties you think say emra na ejuma na say a political persecution
Emra ya adwuma because dem ka eno om kro ma che because the way emra ya om de nsa to se sika bi omu papa bi a o ye afrim dada because ya che obi de nsa to ne de so no te wona ya che obi a because abede obi bi pa bi o ma me free so ye afrim
oh why dream mo
sa na ma dwene me because nipa no ya ye bi ya chi wuntumi ya de nsato ni sika so ni ade what if kroma na ye chi no na wo chi no sa be no what twɛn
what for who dream that
but
I believe sir the investigative body in this case Yoko would I'm tracking the withdrawals and no be tracking those things
on be track ya say eba say eba so ya dia tum say yam friends ato so no say them say last week it is abren no entu betima ka say monko yin sika that time na court nkan no so ntimi ka say monko yin sika obekwa ko yin sika etu omo ya adwuma na sa no manya o so omo cha me mo in fact obi di o man sika on say da biam ka so obi di o man sika me so ne so o di o man sika no manya pade no obi so afon kwa na edi na kakra bi so far I will never support that cause ankofo bi brepa ankura bi yare ya peska hwe omo ankura bi school there buku omo school there sa no manya aba hia ska there ya kwa ye kan ho asem nya iska sem na nipa bi afa kwambone so asese ska there enwa pade no na busu group kakra bi didi ya china emfa party awo ho ma yankeka party sem straight away ya nye ne normal me prison ni ya me e normal no de adwapade ne ye ne se betimi aso ka na ye ton fa nto futo ni nya man call baby
because amanyofo de omo ha o man pa o
omo bo man from
because obi be ba
so boy we senya nanse aye ka me onam ho a denis no bibi an chense me hu se boy we sa property we ni ska omo ka dia na chese on the number we hwe no a obetimi anya sa me kura na means am the call ministerial sa we no me please ofrmc na no be ru about
no executive secretary
so ejaba no kwa eni ehu bone ankofo di na se ehu so ne agiska na ankofo aso se mo premier anyiska no dia me re ho de me no mo nya adwene so obibi kan obetimi akoka no court ba se agiska na akwa demonstration de hu hia obetimi akoya appeal bi na abefa lawyers no makoka se nya no ba se me kwa demo se ebeja nde udi ko huhu a president and udi ko huhu a judges I don't know
anti MPP for democracy and attack demo on the 6th of August 2026 ehun chere hin
fa so bi ani so
because me dey to me there o say nipa no aye no e bi kura wo ka pre wa ma bi ani o wa wo kwere ama obi de bo akobo ana police ni bi akoto tear gas agu ani no e bi aboaje o se wuntumi o se wa wani no o mo ji o musika bi kura wan city kura wa nya ni da you are suffering roses cars akese ne da akese paris no musisi sa wo bi kura ba bi a wo da no hai I don't know so komo obi to tear gas gu ani awo hia emna chinu na so odu o man sika what wa obre na me anyi sika no man foot men ka se amfo obi nkotum ehun hia me but yam force se abeji sika na free no because man who se be dey se dey ansa tutu su yam tonton se mra ni di o ma yam tonton first kan ma Ghana mfa yam fa nyam putudwuma because o man ebre
yo na bonsu abi na say we for na bonsu the convener Emma the Justice and Accountability Forum. Yeah, until oye patwa na bonsu yen patwa until on the say prepare ye any akuntebu na was ye dey adwuma because
yakum binum
me ba to be mic no ma me
yakum a champion no makufo no me abi tuka no because of corruption sai conflict be the 50 cities omuko na sabre o didi sai ska kase oni adu kotum no bi be jona say me demonstration for what let's as a president home Warren said there obey nya na nka mfa so obi amaso
abuja for mama counts anyway endpoint homeopathy clinic so ya sene na me pa cho say utimen kan na enwumre a yare da ho ya pa yare kwankro ya pa wajade uji hwenje edinu ye endpoint homeopathy clinic pa cho say unim obi a wenya ayanwudua na say stroke opa ma entu nchia friend number we sisi ani para campaign wontimi nante ogire hwenje endpoint homeopathy clinic ebe hwe ni panama so unim oba bi a opese ofefuru be ma bi a woni oba edi nhemu a be ma ne ho nkwaboaro entimi ma oba mfefuru a endpoint se bra na enamu nsamu yi ayade ha adwen na se adwamambo mebre abai oba wa warefo bo se na odi ni engine na odi akakoma obi fufuro ni nyina yese wo mu kunumu no entimi insatisfy wo eye yade ti pato se wo sa how no bi wo ye 1 minute man wo de boss apagire me pato bo modern na fa woni kire endpoint homeopathy clinic wa hra wa wo brebuo mu problem bia wo ni pede wanya akwansia afi na wo ti apo wo nante no ensisuye ube here physiotherapy session papa pani massaging a ebusua aye endpoint homeopathic clinic na cha kwan e wa kra Shell signboard kroma oha Shell signboard e was Spintex kwan so udu Spintex kwan so a bisa bia aye Shell signboard e ho no be hu endpoint homeopathic clinic wo kuma se o kronom abo here na number obetimi afresi so sesia aye 0244 867-068 0244-867-068. Again, reach him on 027-4234-321. RSYD Novigi Studios. A studio kesia abepie e won kran ha. Me ba twa wo sini na wo pese wo twa no. Wo short videos na wo pese wo twa. Wo pese unya eye picture quality, video quality ya, which is second to none. Eye RSYD na also do we ni kire. Ukohwa omu studio no ho feye location bia wo hia bia obenye bi ho because they have professional backdrops and also no wo person we hear podcasting wo person we record some conversations now we posti we be here studio me patcho sa studio no ye RSYD Novigi Studios na ukohwa omenu board da form ene kotokum ya wa tu na obi bisa se omo he akra ha obo hu omo first kokru street no so ewo malam abase na ukoho a me patwa be fili area ho from 057 47 15 778 again read them on 030 3974 822 if you really want to create something extraordinary then you should be thinking about RSYD Novigi Studios na bi o me ka say chamber and hall self-contained apartment odum for bi so pebi na also pen water sano K-boat asalam down and abeka also here agent in Zambia adim pacho sa wotemenka na here apartment ya ana wo bia number obe phrase suni 0547 me pacho 0544 797447. Right, so you be a lines that too. On the issues discussed over here. 0260 196064 0260 196065. Hello.
Hello.
Me pacho didn't be yeah, pacho wana me dey say.
Anga wochi bi bia boko de.
Boko, pacho wani.
Elios.
Big say. Okay, Elliot my NTY.
Before no, communicators no, Popobubi, nature mo. And do 2 years you almost so demonstration. Master. And yet, Ghana phone more Gasa Namoye. Because a catch him phone say, Ghana, no Mudia. Said the way President boy Juma. Boy Juma Ghana, and Yafa so be for good board. Good board, move for oil. Scabbing a film. More before. For keep quiet. President Mama, we are just supporting. I come away to my pa. Ghana for better about Munya 87 in Parliament. Munya 87 in Parliament. Musumoko demonstration. Muko. You may remember more because Ghana, we are resetting Ghana, the best. Thank you.
Me say, media Bema, hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello, Abochi.
Yeah, Baba, I had to say.
Abochi, say.
Ayo.
I did all my time to cry.
Yes.
I'm busy so good demonstration.
Aye.
Oh, Master. Now, one day by. Ya chill get too much of miracle body. If you call every time, what I tell Monata now, won't you?
Okay.
Almost like I am for about a demonstration. Master. Ghana boys no be NTN matter. Manko diko for you. Omo be haiwa ma wabe abe kwa mama be fagan is cash ayo omu ama wabre. Nti boys from mama nti. Mo diko haiwa be so be demonstration. And I said them after my can about. Odi ama check say ebia the loan. Not a would take no bar. I would scan no bar. What's my son about and my other what is shambo. Your very filling station. One casa say no kura. 10 pound was the yell. And let's check Koda, let's check Koda now. So we now the man. Now my record down. Number one said move the call position. More for so ideally, said by a month for the cat and more correction. Monkey at 1 month. And I got a phone with a more correct me at 22. I feel I'm over the cat and said them. Many cats are the Jano, because for this car, I'll say I'm not in this. But I think I comment and condition. The sentence will be for us or say money be an area. The name is just be MPP around for kind of number for the issue. So they can for your matter.
Mami Nasi. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Abochi.
Yes, we've got one of them can say.
Abochi, and you mean you're not in account.
Yamiasun so income.
Your friend and I'm walking a capacity of boy or a young son constituency.
Mamin Tiwe.
Edica Minchia International Chairman, you are honorable watching a Jacon. I am a Minchia, Dennis, and Sportifa watching our Tamawa, we are one about Masudi. Abochi, the American for a Casane 7. I be Diao, who maybe a coffee, oh, your court cousin, some area, let me be execution. Yeah, but a ben 2016, I got for Abano. No MPCB at the double salary. I know your minister, that's a couple of don't put them, and I can manage one could fiassi. And it is for whom he said, I am on your son to Omo Germany Kaye. Can we ever clear trouble with you? You are to force him, Edna. You are opening Edna and Brano. Ah, yes, for the first data. And so I'm not master in the project that Governor Dr. Siamasi no Zambrano. And if that track we are so only is a Saturday or courtroom, almost 2 for Coffee before no other fiasco, almost so much. Let's say, and yes, selective justice and their call for Ghana. I've gained a Opia or that mass for Quano. Now, Kataman for Edgar Ashe, young first can come home. Can I add up? JPR to also Omopeka. Negotiation at second midway, or for the Kaya. When you set to cost my cat, cost now consumer detail for kind of want to make a manaboka. Send on your other Fiasa, Tiana. Now say you're on my Ganahano. Young Shinia, Gatti, the Ayasha, maybe Solia or money, you didn't sell or money because you decided to put it in or money password. Or book for one night, you defend you on your 1 year. Some position we are called up as a on an Yabo Bra, one more for more than our own children. Now, I have on where we are, or they for the man on what you want to do. And you will say, or money to kill. Now, there's a Washington Galam say so, then Germany say so, then you look at it, you look for the indicator of emergency. Number 2 from Macron or 2 and then you should have said the pain of having
Mammy Nasi. Hello, good evening.
Abochi.
Yeah, me pato one of the Kazay.
Well, near Asoribani, Kwabukuru this year.
You, Asoriba, what am I patriotic?
And you may Mamma Wanjo, Namin Chia Bushan for studio or no. Now we did tell incoming national chairman, you're about Jacon. And people wouldn't say you're on a B for me, you're on a B or you organizer or back first vice, you're on a B or what Emma. It's your money and then you may any opening Cassia William. Million and I'm more kind. And if I say you try it, but me, Abochi me show, they were NDC communicators 13. I will be a name Coco 47, and maybe an Coco Dot 9 or marry. It's me, may shall fear. I throw me petition to her causing financial loss to the state. Now you bet now, Mamu, Abochi you, bet now, Mamu.
Maybe I don't know the credit, sir. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, Miniabama Abochi.
Yeah, me pato one of the Kazay.
Me pato where we have Bella in Pailo Probo.
Okay, Bapacho, my TOA.
Abochi, Ayuko, and Baby Jumapa. Mr. Wamami Akwanya, the incoming national chairman, Honorable Boachi Ejako. The training said, a drawer, delegate, Mutima Papan, the NPP party, no. Mariah Juma, who I Juma party, and she did her. Young Tuma Honorable Watch, Jacob. Now, I wish the young when you know more Kafaka. I will see Dr. Penny Mahama, boy, Ghana for you, the cost. I will him, I will find myself. Me and you and I say, you will my muha. I will find Penny Mahama,
during the campaign time. Ghana man, you know, say Ghana for your tour, not the Oba. Or better say, what your car. I wouldn't everyone is in another question. Or better say, or better you wouldn't know what you were really in a. The young business and next, yes, that was no more penny, kind of one. Or this one. You have a year to make a point. Ghana for you say, you're dying to hope. After the express road, I send them a DNA person who can't let me say, I'm my boy to my. And son say, no, yes, your percentage, they will do, can't come a contract for. I point out Ghana for numbers. I have you're dying to hope. One, I'll see. You might have bread down and bedroom. Or P, you want this, what is it one factor? And then, you know, try now, you want to do the kind of metal. Kind of member one you're doing. What I know to hope. Who's it to have you? Who's what Peter for? Say, Peter Dabra, young Peter Dabra, automatic posting.
Mami Nasi. Very nice, Mami Nasi. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, but when I'm ready to say. Okay, quarter so to meet you.
The chair, Oba Deputy National Organizer.
Okay.
Abdallah, Oba National Organizer. Dr. Brown, the girl began the show, First Commission. I see happy for our demonstration against the leaders of Fedina. Our demonstration now among country Kofrata Sombra and a kind of Funia. Who did the Padasem from the Quauni of the Inam? I'm just some good so. When it's all a bit defending on you, I don't know that defending on, and of course, the Jano. So, the best MPP. Do that all. I don't get a sub appeal again. And this year, somebody so MPP. At a sort of beer at your my bonia. The view of my career, and I'm protesting. What are the same thing I'm here? Then root to my way, but the message by that should be Adamu, you protested the Jaro. First, this time you get it like that again. And I'll be catching whoever. Your Mexica, the man did the federal for you. What's the financial loss to the state? And I won't wear the party in this water. Stop annoying Ghanaians. That's it.
May I say, Pastor Benjamin, say hello, good evening.
Open radio quick, I saw them in Milan and drop here.
There because of credit sign and drop.
That you, but you are already started you, Metajo Castle.
Metajo Castle, Carasa.
And now 4 dogs or so I won't share any program to my room.
Ah, me that's.
My main country and I quote is say, come on at 2 in your parliament. You didn't call court to an NDC MPs, you know, a boy court to court, a Kujana Quino. At them, no, or ha, not and now only ha. Hypocrisy in your chumno. Omunyai opani de na meka nyina ne se kana na mo akon kasem bi yenkum gani enkodigwa o yenkum gani enkodigwa na abochi o share radio program ase no wo ye bibi en radio stations bebre a shafe fa batanye ne na obenya so abaso bode na o research e solid wo make sure say before bi ba be cast them for sompa no o cross check ma nipa no e tretan. My friend read those watching na yen time who sent you know I said people know about Casato no also yen because of yen because that legacy now with the abano radio stations will brush up here picking yamin shroud amen the person me catching me papa is a quote say and run no nenye and run no and this forecast and nanado and first state of emergency and 2 galam say so Abra na kan kwenhie ba na NDC for airport na do sobo. Abra na fu air soro na NDC for airport na so sobo no. Me pese me bisa Mr. Kote say eneya fuel air costro accident air ban no me fa so bo ne nkogbo kufu ado o tifia na se me fa mo yewura mahama yenti na me kasa yeti o man mu ene yeti se businessman bi assign check best 44 abound so me ya fa sa businessman na nkokot na ye man ni tuatua ye no eye me de kire se wo do ntaka businessman ba ko a na we employ unemployment abegu system ni NDC ba ye hwe kwan de Dr. Sian Japan fra apaso mo adwuma no me bie wo opani mo adwuma no mo me bie ye hwe menka self isa fraud ni we no you abrofo ya besa ye nanano makoye nkoasom tabi mprebia tabro ni baga na ha besese ga na fo ma ekoye omo ntina mfana ma me ni na sem John Mama ni mpanifu ahwa eja butre card na for ma America buri wo ya ba mu ana nam Ghana ha fatu honfo te wunye save uni abampa po be po ho ban ade MPP aban na dem bi ka so ne se mi asamani na owini ni position no ni manifin kwa
oda say your friend you chat on ya peye mu. Hello, good evening.
So chia correct. Edi enkuma Abigail Baba Uma organizer national and marketed regional chairman and Pacho Collins the book for Montman deputy communication officer the Pacho and command you are some chia about Michia commander national security of Butu Fat House in Shakwan about I have to follow almost like a cake and before no I have we have to get Mr. Michio command now I'm FIFA I know we're here now today 8 years and years on Messi. I was just here before I'm just you. And you're going now. Almost 2 years. I'm the Akunia, 2 years, what? Air condition, 4 years for 8 years. I was your mana. And Coponia Catalana. And before Monster, you. When you soon what the Papa could say. MVP. When I was on it, we are interested. Monster, and the other. Put me out of Lugusuka.
Medase abede se obejo de bia wo ba show isu a disentokwa abede every day bia no abochi de oye mi mpu na abozu ye ko wase me twato
Prof
yeah
any lecturer asemu twato an se omampanyi Mahama se medical akase otimi Kumasi Express Road na
sure
yemfa ne din to so se Mahama Express Road and oban wakaso obegidin din panel se obepe enti baby me kan se nsuo yi fire no one otimi eso anoma ne a galamse 2 and we so me de abeto so se 3 because sisi a hu se omampanyi Mahama obo adwuma and mesre amanyofo si edidi we na nya yemhwe no we obi o abem na de wo ye na nya de wo de ye de twam no fire the same thing masa any pan na pepepe ye enya adwuma
me da say na bozu ifesi wala le ko wase be twato
Abochi me da commercial drivers for us so mo tie di aban kan asope o maji 2 cedis na ye fi no so no o maji atu nti wanya ntu lorry fare no mo ansa at least yen ha aban ni
but say ebi mo start ebi mo drivers ni be the
definitely naturally but yes we are sitting
I will follow up on those drivers
definitely but Abochi na me share unu akoma ba ko
why
pato
that's a me who flat men FIFA pato
men FIFA oba odi ho dance kama pa
sir
you have a lot of goodwill out there you don't know
sir
there a lot of goodwill
pato was my junior at Wesley
okay so ciao pa yeah senior brother to all of them so